Alright guys, so today I'm going to get rid of my front Valance wind thing. I feel like it's just gonna make my truck a little more sportier and also a little more aggressive in some way. I mean, right now it makes it look really beefy, so that's nice, but for now I kind of just want to see how it looks without it. I mean, it's only going to take a couple minutes to get it off, but I just want to show you how it's done and what it will look like when it's done. Alright, so what you guys are going to need is just a 10 millimeter. I'm putting it on my impact because, I mean, just getting rid of it. So they're just held in by like plastic, so they're not like torqued on or anything. So my chrome socket's not going to blow up in my face. Don't worry, guys. But yeah, so there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 from the looks of it, bolts holding it in. And I'll bring you up closer and show you which ones to remove. Alright guys, so you're going to want to come underneath your car and you're going to see 2 of these clips on each end. Sorry for the video. And you're going to see this guy right here. So for these ones, you just want to push this little tab in and down. See, it's free. And then for this one, you just want to lift it up and then pull the valance down. Sorry if my voice sounds weird, it's kind of hard at this angle. So, looks way better, guys. Way better. I'm gonna keep it like that. It looks real sharp. After all my research, everyone said that it doesn't affect the wind at all. It doesn't affect the mileage. So, well, it's gonna stay like that for a while now. It looks pretty freaking good. Oh my god. I'm gonna probably cut these tabs on the bottom out because they're not really needed anyways. And yeah, looks great. And stay tuned for more video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.